Good morning. Today we are going to be sorting by size. In the last couple of lessons we have sorted by shape and we've sorted by color. So I need you to pull out page 17 and 18 is on the back and we're going to work on this. You'll just need a pencil today. When you look at this page, it might be just a little bit confusing because you could look at it and you say, am I sorting by color? Am I sorting by shape? Putting the triangles together, the rectangles? No, this time they want us to sort by size. So I'm going to look at these shapes. And if I look at it carefully, I know, first of all, that this is my left-hand side. And on the left, all these shapes are bigger. And on the right, the shapes are all smaller. So if I'm going to make two groups of shapes and I'm going to sort them by size, I need to look at this and I need to say, these are my big ones and these are my little ones. So I'm going to put all of these into one group. That's my big group. And these I'm going to sort into the small group. And that's how I sort by size. That's really super simple, isn't it? All right, let's flip over to the back side of this page. And this is where it's going to be a little bit trickier because there's going to be a couple things. Now remember, we're not sorting the same things. We're sorting by size. So I'm not going to put the crayons and crayons together or the books and books. I'm going to put the little things together and the big things together. So this box of crowns and this book are both small. And this book and these crowns are both large. Now, I have another step. They want you to color the large items in this group red. So go ahead and grab your red crayon and color these items red. Mine's not super neat. You can do a lot better job at home with your crayons than I can with a mouse on the computer. But you need to color the large items red. Okay, so going to the second item here, this time they want me to, again, sort the large things and the small things. So here's my big apple, here's my big milk. These two are going to go together. Little apple, little milk. Those two go together. However, this time they want me to switch to blue, so I'm going to color the large items blue. So grab your blue and color the big milk and the big apple. All right. Let's move down to the last row on our page, which is by the green star. And again, I have two balls, two trucks. This ball and this truck are small, so they go together. This ball and this truck are larger. And this time I'm going to color the large items green. So grab a green crayon and color the large ball green and the large truck green. And you're all done sorting by size. Go ahead and finish your page and stick it in your math folder for me. Have a great day.